Good morning, everyone. In today's session, I'm going to explain about how to fill information about the committee members in eSociety software. For this, we have to go to Masters. In Master, click on Society. In Society, click on Committee Members. In this form, you can fill the information of all the committee members. Here you can see I already created some committee types. This is Managing Committee, Repair Committee. Now let's see how to fill the information of committee members in eSociety software. For this, click on plus for creating a new record. As here you can see, already I created two committees, managing committee and repair committee. For creating new committee, in committee type, enter the committee name. In committee type, you have to enter the committee name. Then here effective date, enter the effective date. Enter the joining date of that committee member. And here end, term end on, you have to enter the term end date here. For selecting that member who is a committee member now, click on this arrow, then this form will come. From this, you have to select that member. After selecting the member, here you can see all the details of that member, that is building name, ID, unit number, then wing, name of that member is will come here. After that, in member type, you have to enter the type of that member. In here, executive ID. This is not compulsory field, but this member name, member type, effective date, these are the compulsory fields. Enter the executive ID of that committee member. The status, inactive date, reason, these are not compulsory field. If that committee member, if you want to inactive that committee member, you can tick on the status inactive. After that, you can enter here inactive date and reason for the inactive. Now save this form. For viewing all the committee members, click on this browse. Here you can see हमने जितने भी कमिटी मेंबर क्रिएट किए, we can see the list of that committee members. I have created one example for the inactive member. For this committee type, repair committee, effective date is 23 and end term is 25. So as this this committee member is inactive, on this status inactive is tick, inactive date and reason for the inactivation is written here. Now we'll see the report for this committee member. For this, we will go to reports, click on documents. Now click on this plus sign of administration. Now go to committee list. If you want to print the committee list of all the members, then you don't need to select any type and name for that committee member. Directly click on print. Okay. Then all the committee members with types you can see here. Committee type, as we have created 3 committees, those 3 different committees under which those committee member created are showing in this list. If you want to print only a particular type of committee like this managing committee, then select the type and click on print. Then उस मैनेजिंग कमिटी में जितने भी मेंबर है उनकी लिस्ट प्रिंट हो जाएगी। Here you can see there are two members inside this managing committee, तो वो प्रिंट हो रहा है। इफ यू वांट टू, आपको फिल्टर लगाना है, आपको सिर्फ पर्टिकुलर मेंबर का ही प्रिंट करना है, यू कैन सिलेक्ट द नेम एंड क्लिक ऑन प्रिंट। You can see only that member's name coming here. Now next we will see committee members detail. If you want to print the details of all the committee members, then click on committee member detail. If you want to print all the committee members detail, then directly click on print without selecting any filter. Here you can see the status, name, all the description of that every committee member is showing here. Now click on next. Here you can see all the committee members details are showing here. If you want to print only particular type of committee members in detail, then select that committee name, managing committee, and click on print. Then the number of members in this managing committee will print. Here you can see as there are two members in managing committee, तो दोनों का ही print हो रहा है in detail. If you want to print only a particular members detail, then select the name of that member. Now click on print. Then only that particular member's detail will print. In this way, you can fill the details of committee member. Thank you everyone for joining this session.